Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this little wireless driveway alarm system. So it's got some instructions on top, and then what we have is this little owl here. It's kind of cool. Owls alone are like kind of a deterrent to like little birds and stuff like that. So you could put this around your plants if you want to scare away some bugs or some birds and stuff maybe. Has a little solar panel on top right there, and that can charge it up. So has a few different settings here. And then it also has this last thing is this little base station here. So this is purportedly goes up to a half a mile, and it sends a little signal to wherever, but you can hang this or you can just put it on your table. And then when this little guy senses something, it'll make an alarm. So there's different alarms too that you can do. Oh, right, my friends. So this also came with some little mounting screws here. And so this thing has pretty sensitive spotting thing here. So you have your home link thing, and this has the little volume side buttons on the side, up or down. And this pretty much just plug and play, and it goes through some instructions. You can hook up some other stuff. So this little owl, like if it senses any motion here, that's going to chime, and it has different settings. So the power button here on the top, you hold it down. This little power button is the top button, the top of the tie, and that's going to turn on the device. If you want low sensitivity, which picks up about 20 feet, you just quick press it and it goes low to high. And there's high sensitivity with 30 feet, and it just shows right there. And it shows when you push it what setting it's on. So that was alarm off, which basically when it senses movement, only your in-home thing is going to tell you. So if you want an alert, maybe if your kids are by the pool or something like that, and you don't want them going around there, so that protect your kids, you can set this on there. Also, you have just press this one that's alarm off. It does sound and light. So with that, obviously, it's going to give you, all these give you a signal on the in-home one if you have some kind of disturbance there or whatever. This setting is going to give you sound and light. So if it picks up anything, an intruder coming across, maybe a part of your yard you don't like, it's going to set that off. That's sound and light. Then there's one with just sound, and then there's this one with just light. So maybe to scare off some cats or something, if you don't want them, they're eating your cat's food or something at night. There's some raccoons, you put it over there, and the flashing light might scare them away or whatever. Whatever it is, it's still going to give you this signal here in the front. So pretty neat. So you can just put this anywhere you want outside, and the sun is going to charge this up, and it's got a good range on it too. So yeah, no matter where you are, any little area that you want to get alerted if someone's by there, and like if a car is coming up to your driveway, maybe you have a long driveway, you put that owl out there and someone's coming in your driveway, you're going to know right away. Like I said, if you have a pool and the kids are by the pool, you want to keep them away, you don't have a fence or something, give you alert, hey, the kids are by the pool or whatever. All kinds of different scenarios for this. You could put it in your house. Also, I was like a little alarm, okay, I don't want people coming by this area at night. You could put it, a bunch of different scenarios, and this can hook up to quite a few of these little guys as well. So great little idea here. Seems to work really well.